Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So how have you all been doing? What have you guys been up to?
Tameka.Hairgoals.
This video is just basically about the things that I do and don't do with my hair. So I get questions walking on the street. People would stop me and ask me, what do I do with my hair to get it to look like this? You know, what products do I use? A quick list of the things that I do in my hair, the things that I don't do, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video and look at it straight to the end. So if you have never been to my channel before, my name is Tameka and my channel is all about the hair goals that I have for myself and sharing it with you guys. So let's get straight into this video. So guys, let's talk about wash day. I don't wash my hair every week to start with. I don't wash my hair every week. I would wash my hair every 2 weeks. I would use my non-sulfate shampoo. I usually have my cream of nature shampoo, or you can find any shampoo that is sulfate free. That is the better shampoo for your hair. Also, on a wash day, I love using my shampoo brush to massage my scalp as well as to massage the shampoo into my hair. So I finger detangle my hair, and I also use my detangling brush while in the shower to get all the tangles and knots out of my hair. So the next thing that I do when it's time for my hair to dry, I use a t-shirt. I only use a t-shirt to dry my hair. I never use a towel to dry my hair because of the rough texture of the towel, the cotton. It can be very damaging to your hair. Also on a wash day, I would detangle my hair in the shower, and then I would get as much of the water out of my hair with my t-shirt and then I'd let my hair air dry. When I let my hair air dry, I would usually put some oil into my hair. I love using my fenugreek oil that I have made in another video, so please check that out. Detangle it, and then I do 4 big bantu knots. That way I get my hair to dry and I get my hair to stretch as well. Sometimes I like to stretch my hair right after I wash it, or you can also leave your hair open to dry, but make sure you detangle it because your hair is gonna get tangled up if you leave it open and wet. I barely use my blow dryer. I rather stretch my hair by using my bantu knot method or by retwisting my hair. So I do a twist out today and I'll twist it again tomorrow, and this usually helps my hair to stretch. Using the blow dryer for me makes my hair feel brittle at the end, even though I have a good heat protectant. And I love my blow dryer because I've had it for a few years as well. Lately I found that if I do the bantu knots to stretch my hair or the twist, my hair still feels really nice and soft. The ends don't feel dry and hard. When I use my blow dryer, most of the times I don't like how the ends of my hair would feel when it's time for me to do a twist out. I would have to use so much more product after I use the blow dryer. So lately I've opted to use bantu knots to stretch my hair or my twist outs. Most of the times I wear my hair in a twist out. If it's the weekend or I'm going out or I'm going to church, I'd probably do a flat twist out, or I'll try to do one of my updo styles. But my go-to style is my twist outs. Twist outs give me the big fluffy look that I really love, and that's why it is my favorite style to do. So this week someone asked me, how do I lighten my hair to put the color in my hair? So when I first went natural, I did a honey blonde hair color from Dark and Lovely, the box dye. I did it myself at home, and that is how I lightened my hair. And after that, someone introduced me to Adore semi-permanent hair color, and I started to refresh my color only using the semi-permanent hair dye. Another thing I don't do, I don't buy a ton of hair products. I know what works for me, and I try to stick with that because I don't have money to spend on buying a bunch of hair products. So the 2 products that I love using the Cream of Nature twisting cream, and this is sulfate free, mineral free, silicone free, and I love using this for my hair. Also, I love using Cream of Nature Curl Repair Leave-In Conditioner. So when it comes to my scalp and hair growth, I love using my fenugreek oil, my fenugreek seed oil. I use that in my scalp. Honestly, once I remember to use it, I'd use it throughout my entire head. But what I do every night, I use my fenugreek oil to massage my edges. I always make sure to sleep with my silk scarf or my silk bonnet, and I also have my silk pillowcases that I use as well. So if any one of the two comes off my head during the night, my silk pillowcase is always there to protect my hair. And my last tip that I do for my hair, when it comes to detangling, I try to finger detangle my hair. I put my hair into sections. Even though it takes a while, I try to always finger detangle my hair and get all the shredded hair out, all the knots out of my hair. Those are the tips that I've been using in my hair for the last few years and some recently. That's basically it. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment and support your Trini YouTubers because we're out here. Thanks for watching. Peace out.